yan para may katulong.
Smile!
Ano ba yan?
Enzo, lagay mo yung damit. Get his Smile!
Alright, go ahead.
Enzo, get your damit.
Why are these men here?
Well, we're just going on a trampoline play date.
We're still at our stage 3 now. Moved in 16 years.
Well, he was fine up until a moment ago.
Peekaboo!
Doctor, there was
Aray ko. Peekaboo! Peekaboo, Enzo.
Worse.
O, tulungan mo na si ate doon. Tulong mo si ate.
ranting about your work.
Tulong mo si ate. O, tignan mo si ate, oh. Ate, what are you doing?
Ay, putik na ba? Enzo, ito ilagay mo dun, oh.
Dirty clothes.
Dirty clothes. Yay!
Dirty clothes.
And
Yay!
Extremely so.
Yay! Yay!
oh, dirty sock.
Lily was a musician, and now she has a grand mal obsessive disorder akin to a PTSD, only worse. Is that why she was
Enzo!
when she
Yay!
Put the dirty clothes, put the dirty clothes.
gets extremely frustrated and destructive.
Yay!
Dr. Lucchese, I was wondering when you were to show. Whatever you did for that. Thank you.
She's okay.
No! No!
No!
Come on in.
Tapos na? Tapos na?
Or babalik na naman niya, ikakalat niya ulit.
No! Put it back! Kasi wala na siyang nilalagay.
She must have changed fast.
How? She was fine.
I don't know. Yeah.
Any idea where she could have gone?
Wait, wait lang, ha?
She's back the way she was.